Hi everyone, my name is Tyler Hall, and for those of you who don't know me, I am the DPMG president. I'm also a student success advisor in the Dalhousie University Student Success Center, and I'm here to teach a little dance class for you. So me and Janice have been working on trying to get a dance class going on campus, but obviously not a possibility, so Janice reached out to me to see if I could do one virtually for you all. So welcome to my living room. This is a kind of open level class, so hopefully all different levels can be accommodated, and the screen is mirrored. So this is my right, this is my left, so you're gonna kind of do a mirror image to me, and feel free to stop the video, repeat it, go over anything else you want, and let's have some fun. The song is Finesse by Bruno Mars, so hopefully a nice upbeat groovy song, and add your own spin on it, and let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna start with our right foot. You're gonna step right, and I know you can't quite see it, but you're gonna take your left foot and you're gonna put it behind you. Almost like you're kind of skiing, right, or skating. Step, left, step. Amazing. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right touch left, left touch right. If you wanna get snaps in, boom, ha, boom, ha. And if you wanna get your head going, boom, head, boom, head. Amazing. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, ha, step, ha. You're gonna step out right, left, and then just groove 7, 8. So all that together, 5, 6, from the top. Right, left, left, right, step, step, groove it out. Amazing. The next part, we're gonna go up, down, down. So that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're just gonna step right, touch your left in, left, touch your right in. So just that new part from the up and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go up, down, step right, touch left, left, touch right. And that's just for you to groove along. Let's try both of those parts together. 5, 6, from the top we go right, left, ha, step, step, groove it. We go up and down, step, boom, boom. Amazing. The next part is gonna be a little syncopated, so it's gonna go 1 and 2. You're gonna jump out 1, head left, head center. So 5, 6, just that part, 1 and 2. Yeah, amazing. And now we're gonna do something called a pivot turn. So this might be new for some of you, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna step forward on your right foot, and then you're gonna pivot your weight, so you're now facing the back of the room, and your left foot is in front. So that's right, pivot. You're gonna step forward with that right towards the back, right, pivot. Just try a couple of those on your own. Step right and pivot, right and pivot. We're only doing it once, but it's good to practice. So if we add that on, we did the jump out head, head. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, head, head, pivot, turn, pivot, turn. You're gonna step in right and put your head on your hand on your cheek, and boom, move your head to the left. Let's try all of that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, ha, hand, hand, up and down, boom, ha, groove it out. We're gonna jump it out to go boom, head, head, pivot, turn, head, boom. Amazing. One more part before we try it with music. Head, boom. We're gonna do something called a 3-point turn. You're just gonna turn around yourself, saving 3 steps going to the right. So you're gonna go right, clap, clap, left, right, left, clap, clap. You do that 2 times. Let's just try that turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. Amazing. Let's try that all from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hand, hand, up and down. We go up, down, step together, boom, step, pop it out. Boom, ha, ha, pivot, turn, 3-point turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that all with music. Okay, here we go. Let's try it all together. 7, 8, step, step, boom, boom, groove, and up, down, step, together, hop it out, hop, head, head, pivot, turn, step, head, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, nice job. Okay, so feel free to repeat that as many times as you want, and now we're going to move on to the next part. So what we just finished was our turn, 2, 3, boom, boom, turn, 2, 3, boom, boom. Amazing. This part's a little faster. You're going to go to the corner, and you're going to go right, left, snap, and you're going to slide that left leg in. Right, left, snap. You're going to circle your hands, step out on the left, and bring the right in. So the legs are going boom, boom, slide in, your left steps out, your right slides in. So it's kind of like a slidey side to side. So you're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You're going to jump together, 5, kick your foot out, 6, and you're going to go left, right, left. Just 3 steps on the spot. So all that together, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, jump, kick, left, right, left. You're going to put your weight on your left foot and you're just going to turn around yourself. That can be whatever we want. You could go up into retire, you can just do a little spin, you can stand on the spot, no need to spin, but that's the next part. So we did 1 and 2, 3 and 4, jump, kick, left, right, left. You're going to go turn, land, and then you're going to go right, left, right. Lots of footwork going on here. With the left, right, left, the first time you did it after the jump, kick, you're just going left, right, left on the spot. This time, we did the turn. Your right foot is kind of in the air. You're going to step back on your right, back on your left, forward on your right. So it's like a back, back, front. And you can get your arms going as well. So let's go from the top of section 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Jump, kick, left, right, left. Turn, land, back, back, front. Amazing. And then after that, I'm just going to check my notes quickly. We're going to do a little turn around ourselves again. All the turns and steps. So we just did back, back, front. So we did our, let's go from the top. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, bum, 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 turn, land, right, left, right. You're going to do a turn going on your right foot this time, boom, and then you're going to step left, right. Amazing. Let's try that from the new part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, jump, kick, left, right, left, turn, land, right, left, right, turn, around, step, left, step, right. Awesome. You might want to try this part a couple more times. We'll do it once together, but feel free to stop, rewind, all that good stuff. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, boom, round and hop, jump, kick, left, right, left, turn, land, right, left, right, turn, around, step, left, step, right. Yeah! One little part to add on to this. We're going to step on our right foot and we're going to slide our left foot in and we're going to flap our wings like a bird. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4, you're going to step your left foot down and punch your arms. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to hit a pose 5, look forward 6, and you're going to go 7, 8. So you're going to put your weight on your left foot, boom, boom. You can snap twice if you want. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Step out on that left foot, head comes forward, and then bounce, bounce. Yeah, cool. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pose, head, bounce, bounce. Let's add that on from the second part. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Jump, kick, left, right, left. Turn, land, right, left, right. Turn, around, step, flap your wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pose, look, snap, snap. Awesome. So the next part, we're almost done this section. After we did snap, snap, you're gonna shimmy 1 and 2. So my right shoulder is going forward, back, forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4. So you're looking, you see them. You're gonna hold 5, hold 6, groove 7, 8. Yeah, so from flap, 2, 3, 4, pose, head, snap, snap. 1 and 2, 3, 4, hold, hold, groove, groove. Let's try that from the beginning of part 2, and then we'll try it all from the top, and then music. 5, 6 from part 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, left, right, left. Turn, land, right, left, foot, step, left, step, flap. 1, 2, 3, 4, pose, head, back, back. Shimmy in 2, 3, 4, hold, hold, groove, groove. Okay, let's try it from the top. The top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, step. Hand, hand, groove, groove. Up, down, step together. Right, left, left, jump. Boom, head, head, pivot, turn, boom, head, turn, 2, 3. Now we're on to part 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, right, left. Turn, boom, right, turn, around, step, left, flap your wings. 1, 2, 3, punch, pose, look, snap, snap. Right, 3, 4, hold, hold, groove, groove. Let's try that all together with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Groove. Step. Here we go. Jump, head, head. Pivot, turn, hand, head. 1, 2. New part. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn and right, around, left, and flap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, hold, 7, 8. Yeah! Okay, last part to finish it off. There's a lot going on with your hands, so you might have to practice this a few times, but don't give up, have faith. So we're gonna start with our right hand. We're gonna go right, left, out, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, out, down. And then you groove 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you do the opposite. Left, right, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Except it's like twice that speed. So let's try it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Doom, boom. Again. Left, right. Boom, 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 boom. And boom, 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 boom. So the counts are technically 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's try it the actual speed. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right, left, boom, ha, 5, 6, I know it's fast. Left, right, boom, 5, 5. Again, right, left, up, out, down, 5, 6, the other side. Left, right, out, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doing so good. Feel free to practice that as many times as you want. The second part is the same timing, 1 and 2 and 3, and it's hand stuff as well. So you're gonna go right, your hand points out, left, your hand comes in, right, left, pause, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go left, right, pause, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. right, left, right, left, right, left. Hold down, 5, 6, other way. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Hold down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try both parts together. 5, 6, you got this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, out, down, 5, 6, other side. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, 5, 6. Now the second part. Right, left, right, left, hold down, 5, 6, other side. Left, right, left, right, left, right, hold down, 5, 6. Amazing. Awesome. Let's try that from the second part. So we'll put part 2 and part 3 together. Okay, so let's go from the second part. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, left, right, left. Turn, right, left, right, turn, step, flap your wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, pose, head, bounce, bounce, right, left, right, look, point, 5, 6, new part. Boom, 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 ba, 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 ba. Left, right, left, right, left, right, boom, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Hold and 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Hold and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the tippy tippy top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. Boom, boom. Groove it out. Up, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, head, head, pivot, turn, step, boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Second part. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Left, right, left. Turn. Right, left, right. Turn. Left, flap your wings. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Pose. Head. Bounce, bounce. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Groove it out. Right, left, boom, 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 ha, ha, doom, doom, left, right, left, right, left, right, 5, 6, third side, right, left, right, left, right, left, hold, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 hold, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. So we're gonna do it with music now. Rewind the parts you don't know, have fun. Like I said, I tried to make it a more open level class, so some parts you might find real easy, some parts you might find really hard. This is how we get better at things. We challenge ourselves, so I hope you're having a good time, and we're literally dancing in our home, so literally no one is watching, except maybe your partners or pets or kids, but dance like no one's watching, and let's have a good time together. Let's do it. 5, 6, here we go. Ha! Groove. Up, down, left. Jump out. Boom, head, head. Pivot turn. Hand, head, turn. Boom, boom. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back, bam, bum. Step. Right, left, right. Turn. Left, right. Flap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Hold. Here we go. Tripping. Boom, boom, boom. 5, 6. Other way. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Boom, ha. Boom, 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 boom. Hold. Yeah. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Hold. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you had a fun time, and hopefully we'll get to connect all again in person. Miss you all, and keep on dancing.